Hey guys, wondering which is the best jacket for Ladakh bike trip? Here's why I prefer the Rynox Stealth Air Pro. The jacket comes with C2 level protectors all round for the back, the chest, shoulders and elbow. Really good stuff. Now Ladakh is a high altitude cold desert and when it gets sunny it can get really hot during the day. This jacket comes with a full mesh all around and it is really comfortable to wear in hot conditions, and this is how I wore it on my Ladakh ride. And when things get cold and cloudy, you can always pair it with the Rynox Swarm winter jacket, which fits very snugly inside the riding jacket. In fact, on the day I was traveling back from Leh to Jispa, it was really cold and cloudy, and this is how I was traveling very comfortably on my bike. Now coming to the next part which I found most useful, you'll see this pipe, this wire running through the jacket. This jacket comes loaded with pockets and places where you can store stuff. Behind here, there is a provision for a 2-liter water bladder. This is the pipe which comes out and it is very neatly tucked over here to the side. Using the same provision as the bladder, I have also tucked this wire in here. This is basically a USB-C cord and it helps me to connect the power bank, which is located here. This is a 10,000 mAh power bank. It powers my GoPro all through the day and I can comfortably put it here in this pocket, and it plugs into the GoPro like this. Very useful for me. Now coming to the various pockets. So here's the first one. For my mobile phone. For my wallet. For my keys. And another mobile phone which I use for taking photos and videos for vlogging. And there are these two zipper pockets here which I can use for storing various things. So I used it to store this USB cord which I was using to charge my phones. So as you can see, this is a very useful jacket, perfect for me as a vlogger and as a long distance rider, and I didn't really need any thigh bag or waist pouch or anything like that. This jacket is self-sufficient for all kinds of long distance rides, including the longest ride of my life, Pune to Ladakh. So guys, are you still wondering which is the best jacket for your next Ladakh ride?